Here at Healing Hands, we do two types of adjustment. The first adjustment is the manual or diversified adjustment, which is what most people think of when they see a chiropractor. The second type of adjustment we use is a technique using an activator. It's a handheld mechanical tool which moves the joint, very similar to a manual adjustment. I'm going to demonstrate an activator adjustment for the low back and pelvis. And instead of twisting and turning the body, we twist and turn the activator to do the adjustment. Now we'll move up into a mid-back adjustment and a cervical or neck adjustment.